12'4" on this railroad bridge. I don't know how long it's been here. One lane, people have to stop to go through. I'm gonna see if I can find a date on it. I don't know how long it's been here. That's what it looks like underneath. But I don't see a date. UP 700A315.04. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's an inspection code. But it's old. They've renovated it. You can see the old and the new concrete. But I really would like to know when it was built. 12'4". Don't want to take a truck through there, that's for sure. But it's such a pretty day. Little old airplane up there flying along. There's the moon if you can see it. I hear a car coming. You see a one-lane bridge. We'll see him go through. Oh, here comes another one. We walk up this little path here out of the way. I bet this is a railroad trail. I'd love to catch a train coming across here one of these days. Anyway, here comes another one. Going slow through the bridge. Okay, this is Meigs County Railroad in McMinn County today. We don't have any railroad tracks in Meigs County. I've got to go somewhere to find them. CSX between Etowah and Benton. Here comes another truck. We're on our way down to a special treat. Stay tuned.